Hey everyone, quick demo. I'm going to show you an SMS auto reply bot built with Telnyx and Python. You just text it a keyword, it replies instantly. No human needed. Let's set it up. So you need to clone this repo. As you see here on the top, it says Telnyx code samples. Just clone it and get into SMS auto reply bot Python. Yeah, that's the app. Once you're in, you can copy an example environment file and add your Telnyx API key, public key, and phone numbers. That's all the config. And then you can start the Flask server. It's running on port 5000. Then in a second terminal, start ngrok to get a public URL. Grab the ngrok URL, paste it into your messaging profile in the portal, and add slash webhooks slash SMS at the end and save. That's it. So I have done all those steps and I have already set up the app for you. It's running in my terminal. So what we're gonna do here is that we're gonna just type some keyword to see what it replies. Your AI bot. So I'm gonna type hours. Yeah. Say we are open Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. EST, and all the information. Let's try and type the keyword help. It says, thanks for reaching out. Our support hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. for the help. Let's try another one and see what happens. Pricing. So thank you for your interest in pricing. Please visit our website and call this number. And hello, thanks for contacting us. We'll respond during business hours. So that's how simple and straightforward it is. Thank you for watching.